Oh, good morning, everyone. This is Mike O'Malley here with the Hurricane Outlook and discussion for June 6, 2020, recorded on 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Well, taking a look here at the latest advisory from Tropical Storm Cristobal. Cristobal is now a 50-mile-per-hour tropical storm moving to the north here at about 12 miles per hour. It is a little bit slower than this morning, pressure down now to 994 millibars. This is likely to bring a decent amount of rain and surge impacts to portions of the coast here within the next day or so. And if we take a look here at the visible satellite, the larger satellite view from COD Meteorology website, you do notice that we now continue to see this broad area of heavy precipitation to the north of the system. Even down to the south, there is still a broad area down to the south of the system, but there's a larger overall rain mass moving directly to the north here as it continues to spiral around here over the next day or so. This is going to pave the way for heavy precipitation in this region here over the next several days or so. Again, that also sets up the Florida Peninsula for some heavy rainfall, potentially even some severe weather in those two areas throughout today and tomorrow, really here over the next day or so. And if we take a look here at the zoomed in from tropicaltidbits.com, the GOES floater here, you do notice what we're actually beginning to see now is that we are starting to see more convection actually wrap around the center of circulation. And again, that has implications going forward, because if this thing can bundle its energy, that has a little bit of time then to intensify. This is expected to be intensifying all the way up here until landfall, and is expected to be about 60 miles per hour upon landfall. Again, could this be a little bit stronger? Yes. It would not shock me at all to see this become a hurricane, but it is not currently anticipated. Currently, the official forecast is 60 miles per hour. Tropical storm warnings have been issued for most of the Louisiana coastline here, from west here, from Morgan City all the way back through portions of Okaloosa County, Florida. Again, that really sets the stage. Again, the eastern side here is the most weighted here. And again, if you just take a look here at the COD Meteorology website, you do notice that all of this deeper convection, all of the deeper feeder bands are located off towards the east. However, there is going to be some interesting things that happen during the day today. You notice this larger convective band has started to mainly spread out here over portions of the western, northwestern, and now some of the southern convective bands of the system. It's starting to try to wrap around. There is more deeper convection right near the center of circulation, which is located right here. So it's going to be an interesting feature today, that if we can get this to actually kind of wrap itself around. Now, if we take a look from the recon plane that was in there earlier, unfortunately, they were encountering some communication errors. So there's not really a ton of data from the second pass, but it can be reasonably inferred about the same pressure, 993, 994 millibars. Again, mostly a lot of the stronger winds off towards the eastern side, although there was some stronger winds in this convective band that was pushing around earlier throughout the day today. So that is going to be something that we're going to be continuing to monitor. If we take a look here at the sea surface temperatures, this was updated at about 1 o'clock this morning from tropicaltidbits.com. You do notice how, for the most part, we have about 28 to 27 degrees Celsius ocean temperatures that should be more than supportive of tropical cyclone formation and maintenance across this area. That's going to help to intensify the center of circulation just a little bit, and should provide this to be about 60 to 65 miles per hour, maybe slightly stronger as it begins now to approach land really within the next 24 to 36 hours. So again, a big day. If you aren't already prepared, you need to make sure today's the day to have your final preparations in place, as tropical storm conditions are expected to probably start as early as tonight in some locations immediately along the coast. This is going to be a dangerous event for storm surge up to 3 to 5 feet immediately to the east of where the center makes landfall around Gulfport, Mississippi. And about 2 to 4 feet of storm surge is expected right near the center, where the center makes landfall. 1 to 3 feet over here, where tropical storm conditions likely. Maybe some higher gusts here, up to 70-ish miles per hour. So again, a lot to watch here over the next 12 to 24 hours. How well does this bundle? Again, I will be back here with another video forecast update here for the 5 o'clock advisory. Hope y'all have a great rest of your afternoon and early evening. I will be back here for the 5 o'clock advisory. Stay safe, everyone.